Microsoft Excel is not only meant for data analytics. I'm happy to tell you that Microsoft Excel is so powerful that it can help you with your matrix problem. In this video, I would like to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel to do 2x2 matrix multiplication. Whenever you have a square matrix, either 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, and so on and so forth, Microsoft Excel is capable of helping you do the matrix multiplication. Once again, my name is Abdullah Akwemi Falade. If you are watching this YouTube channel for the first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. We have two matrices in this example. Matrix A, 23, 12, 15, 20. And matrix B, 15, 17, 30, and 18. I want to do the matrix multiplication of A multiplied by B, which is AB. So I'm going to highlight the entries where the result is going to be, which is also going to be 4 cells. I'll press equality sign and I'll press MM, and immediately I press that, I will see the prompt MMULT, which is matrix multiplication. I will highlight on the first matrix, which is matrix A. Since I'm doing matrix A multiplied by B, I'll use the comma, and I will also highlight on the matrix B, and I will press Shift Control Enter. Shift Control Enter. So with the Shift Control Enter, I have the result of the matrix multiplication A and B. What if I want to do the matrix multiplication BA? Let's do that together. Matrix multiplication BA. So instead of us having A first, so we are going to start with B followed by A. So I'm going to highlight the first cell, the 4 cells where the result will be. I'll press equality sign, MM, which is M multi, prompt up. I will highlight on matrix B first, comma, and I will highlight on matrix A. I'll press Shift Control Enter, and I will have the result. And with this, you can see that the matrix multiplication AB is different from matrix multiplication BA. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.